my name is Brooke Wright, and I recently competed in this year's Bronco Startup Challenge 2022 and placed third with my app Housemate. Housemate is aimed to help roommates who are living together in a shared space maintain their sanctuaries and maintain exactly what they wanted to sign up for when they were living with their friends or even random people going into college. So a lot of the time, houses still have that traditional chore chart that never really gets looked at and chores don't get completed. And so Housemate aims to transition from that in-person function to a digital function that allows roommates to receive push notifications to remind them to do their chores and creates incentive to do them as well as providing payment functions and a global resource feed where housemates can gain advice and resources to help them along the way if they're dealing with conflicts within their households. I think my app truly aims to benefit people that are living together possibly for the first time and just really eliminate that aspect of nagging each other to do things around the house where the push notifications would come in and help out the process. So again, I really want to thank everyone for making this opportunity possible. Now with the gain funds that I've received from placing third, I'm going to use it to help develop the app and hopefully have it up and running by the end of 2022 and to continue to fund the process. And yeah, I'm just extremely excited to see what comes out of this, and I'm thankful for all the people that I met along the way and the amazing and smart other contestants that I competed against. But I think that we'll continue to support each other throughout this process, and I can't wait to see where their entrepreneurial ventures take them as well. Thank you again.
Hello, my name is Mikhail and I'm the founder of Hotspot Lunch. Hotspot Lunch is a food delivery service for universities that aggregates orders, allowing us to deliver at the cheapest prices. Our business benefits members of university communities who want to order takeout from their favorite restaurants at a low cost, as well as students who have free time between classes and want to earn extra money. Thanks to the funds provided by the Bronco Startup Challenge, we're going to be able to invest in developing our application and marketing our service to the people who will benefit from it the most. We are very thankful to the Bronco Startup Challenge for helping us to take our dream of providing cheap and accessible takeout on universities to a reality. Thank you.